Welcome to our channel, Cardhuntersnyc. Today we're having a throwback night box opening. We're opening up some 2017-18 Prizm Basketball Retail. On one of my first videos, I heavily recommended to be opening this product due to the fact that it was so cheap then and it skyrocketed. Somehow I hit it on the knob. I was able to pick up a ton of Jayson, Tatum, Donovan Mitchell. I have them stored up. Some of them are getting graded as of now, and I believe it's still gonna be picking up. It's still gonna be going up in prices. I highly recommend you try to get some before the next boom, before the next price up. So as you know and I know it, X marks the spot, and let the card hunting begin. It comes 24 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. You get 1 autograph per average in the box. Kyrie Irving is the main man in the picture in the packs, but we're looking for Jayson Tatum, our first pick, Donovan Mitchell, our second pick, and then our third could be Bam Bam. Our fourth could be De'Aaron Fox, and our fifth could be Lonzo Ball. So let's get started, and hopefully we could pull something real nice out of this. It's always exciting to open up a vintage packs. It's not too vintage, but still, the years go by quick. We have Robert Covington base, Jamal Murray, and we have our first silver, Malcolm. And we have a Russell Westbrook. So it's gonna be hard to get something good, but if you think about it, there's a lot of rookies here. This rookie class was underclassed. It wasn't looked at as much as it's now. Draga. We have a base rookie of Frank Jackson. We have an emergent Frank. Looks so different, the emergent compared to now. And we have Austin Rivers. Oh, I see Jonathan Tanakupo. I believe this is a pink Willie. 24 out of 42. Pink Pulsov. And we have Dwayne Cassie. I didn't know the trainers were here, but the coaches, but they are here. And we got a Chris Dunn for the Bulls. I actually started heavily collecting again 2018-19 basketball. That's when I started. I was able to pull a ton of Lucas, a ton of trades, but Lucas was like the main guy I was hitting. Wesley Matthews, Dante Exum, and we have a silver Dennis, and we have a Dotson for the Knicks. But I actually sold mostly all my Lucas when it reached like double the price it was when I was opening. Dragic. Ooh, I see the autograph already. Here goes the autograph. Cody Seller autograph. Somehow I always get this guy for autographs and Prizms. A Dirt Nowitzki Fundamentals, and we have a Darren Collison. Seth Curry. I see a silver coming up. Carroll. And the rookie is John Evans. John Evans. Another silver. Pelicans. More. If this was this year's Prizm, I would have been more excited seeing that Pelicans. Dion Waiters. We have a Joe Ingles. We have a Fundamentals Leonard, and we have a Tim Hardaway Jr. Isaiah Thomas, Michael Malone, I see a green in the Nate McGill, McMillan, and our green is Timberwolves, Jeff Teague, green. We have a Jaylen Brown, Jameer Nelson. We have a Jordan Clarkson. Isn't this a rookie card, I believe? Can't remember. And for the Mavericks, we have a Yogi Ferrell, green. It is packed with a lot of color, but not the color I want. Jayson Chandler, Solomon Hill. We have a Julius Randle, and our, it looks like red wave for the Wizards. Kelly Oubre Jr., red wave. Pascal Siakam. We have a Kyrie Irving. We have a Emergent De'Aaron Fox. And we have Zach LaVine. Dwight Powell. Jeremy Lin. We have a Get Hyped Stephen Curry. We have a Bobby Portis. Steve Kerr. John Collins, the Hawks. DeMarcus Cousins, fundamental, and Ben Lemore. Some of these guys are not even relevant no more. So let's slate this guy up. I see a Verde in the middle, Sean Livingston. We have a Brandon Ingram and a silver. Let's see, what's this? Get Hype, Joel Embiid. And our silver is 76ers. The coach, Brett Brown. I really don't like the coaches being in this, to be honest. It just kills the card. De'Aaron Fox, base rookie. Looks pretty good. Jason Smith. We have a Stephen Curry, fundamentals. And we have Danny Green. Andrew Wiggins. We have a Jay Crowder. We have a Trevor Ariza. Hopefully this silver is a strong rookie. I haven't been able to hit nothing right now. Who could it be? The Nets. The only rookie in the Nets is Jarrett Allen, I believe. Allen Crabbe, silver. OG. He's also a rookie. Jarrett Allen, another rookie. I see a red wave in the back. A Ruby and Dorwell. This pack was basically all rookies. Could we continue the rookie? Cavaliers. Kevin Love, red wave. Ruby wave. Marquise Chris. The Joker. That looks a little different. It's another autograph? Oh no. It's not numbered though. But it is a ruby red. Tony Bradley. Rookie. And Dwayne Wade. I guess if it's colored, it comes, if it's a colored rookie, it comes backwards. George Hill. We have Aranja Ronjo Rondo. We have Hassan Whiteside green. And we have a Derek White. Frank Vogt. DJ Wilson. Oh, we have a backwards. Do we? Yes, we do. Who could it be? From the Rockets, we have a Chinnu. Now, backwards player. Who could it be? Oh no, it's not even backwards. I got fooled. Tim Duncan, fundamentals. Wow. Just pump my adrenaline for nothing. Norman Powell. We have a Enon. We have a De'Aaron Jordan. He looks a lot older here than how he looks now. For the Suns, it's a rookie silver, Devon Reed. I never heard of this guy. We'll sleeve him up. JJ Barrel, Derrick Rose. We have Emergent Lonzo Ball. KP, when he used to play for the Knicks. Demontis Sabonis. Dirk Nowitzki. We have a Terry Stotts. We have a Get Hype Patty Mills. And we have a Yvonne Ray. And our last pack of this box opening, JJ Redick. Kent Bizmore. We have a fundamentals, Wes Unseld. And the last one is Mike D'Antoni. Wow, that was a really hard box to open. We had a silver Devon Reed, a ruby red Tony Bradley. I think our best hit was this De'Aaron Fox, and maybe this John Collins. We have one base of Giannis Antetokounmpo, and our autograph was Cody Zeller. It was good to go back, but I guess this was a bad memory because it was a bad break. Anyways, thank you guys. Until next time, don't forget to check our next video, which is it's gonna be our fast break box opening. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, God bless, take care.